Here's how to add, delete, or rearrange your radio presets. If you have an infotainment display similar to the one I have in my Chevy here, make sure you're on the audio screen and have selected either AM, FM, or satellite radio. You can mix all those types of stations together in your presets if you wish. To add presets, use the arrows to seek the station you wish to add, or you can use this option and type in a station number. When you arrive on the one you wish to add, tap and hold one of the buttons below that say hold to set. There's 5 presets on the screen at a time, but with the side arrows you can move to another set of 5. To delete or rearrange presets, tap Home, Settings, Vehicle, Audio Settings, and Manage Radio Favorites. You can rearrange the order by holding one of the symbols in this column and then sliding it to a new spot. And you can delete any of them by tapping the trash can symbols. If you do that, you may want to get rid of the gaps that form. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up.